Hey, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today Karina and I are doing a collaboration, our end of summer butterfly manicure. I have some beautiful lavender polish by Voxery. So that's the color there. It is true and beautiful. Check them out on Amazon. I'm going to be doing foils as you see. So I got my Beetles foil glue. Base coats by Nail Reserve. Check them out as well. Top coat is going to be Ideal Beauty. My stamper, She Modern Reinforced Jelly Stamper. My stamping polish will be She Modern Sticky Stamping as well. Just like my scraper card. I've got 3 butterfly plates here before me. I'm not sure what I'm using and what I'm not. I know I'm using this one for sure. This one is OMJ05. Beautiful, beautiful plate off Amazon in a group set. These are STZN04, STZN05. Wait a minute, they're both 04. They're identical plates. Holy cow, Batman! Well, one's going in a giveaway or for Christmas. For Christmas. Too funny. Well, that helped that. We got down to 2 stamping plates, so we're going to dive right in. Don't know what colors really to use on what. I'm loving this butterfly right here. It reminds me of an owl. So I'm going to open my brown sticky stamping polish from She Modern. This is my first chance to finally use it. I'm going to give it a best shake that I can. Don't need a lot. I'm going to put him in brown. Put him in brown. Open my stamper. And we are good to go. Beautiful, beautiful pickup. Take off what you don't want with a lint roller or a piece of tape or your scraping card. Whichever you want to use. You see I got some blue here on the back from some watercolor. So I gotta clean that up later. I just noticed it. Messy girl I am. So take your plate. I want to get this one over here. But I kind of want to do half, I'm sorry, sapphire blue. Love this color. And I'm also going to use the periwinkle. Beautiful color. You can get these on Amazon as well as SheModern.com. If you go to the website itself for SheModern.com, please use my code at checkout, NailedIt67. I am... Oh, we got a text message. Sorry, I gotta check, make sure if it's Mother. Oh, I'll be right back. Oh, let me finish this first. Gotta stamp the smutter. I'll be right there. Sorry. Oh, beautiful pickup. So now we're gonna pause and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. My mother is okay. Had to unhook her from her like compression machine, so she's good to go. We're gonna hop on back to our manicure now. We're gonna go in for the middle nail. And I'm going to, what am I gonna do? Hop over to this plate here. I love this butterfly here. So I think I'm gonna go in with the Opaque Kiwi sticky one. Never used this color before. Low and slow. Don't scrape too many times. Beautiful, beautiful pickup. And there we go. Loving it. Loving it. Now, there's this butterfly here I want to do in red and orange. I think that would be beautiful, this color. Like a monarch, kind of, in a way. Not really. It's not going to turn out like one, but that's what goes through my head when I seen that butterfly, was a monarch butterfly. A little bit too close together. Ugh. Shoot. But let me see. Let me get back to Karina is my partner here with this collaboration. Please check out her. I gotta use the blush. Sassy got to name this. Please check out Sassy's video. So let's see, we gotta use Sassy's color. Got to use her blush. After that, I think I'm gonna use the Periwinkle to pair it with. Shoot. Love this butterfly here where it's got like a little baby in front of it. So we're gonna put the other, whoopsie, the pinky. Well, I hope you can see it. Not really. Can you see it, folks? Can you see it? I think you can. Clean off your stamper. I'm going to go in right now with the Periwinkle, and I'm going to use what butterfly? I think butterflies are so beautiful. Karina and I share that, you know, she loves butterflies as well. She really does. So I'm going to use this one right here. That will be the end of our stamping. We have to do our foil nail. Take off your excess. Take off your excess. There we go. Perfectly spaced apart, right above the flowers. There are flowers at the tips of the 3 nails. I think these turned out really, really nice. Alright, we are back to do our foil nail here. I am using, again, I said Beetles Nail Art Foil Glue. We're going to apply this to the nail with some on the brush. Make sure your nail is completely covered. Pop her on the lamp somewhere between 45 to 60 seconds. We are using this beautiful, beautiful foil. I just love this one. I need to get more. It's off of charliesnailart.co.uk. You can use my ambassador code there as well. Nailed it 10. Save yourself 10%. From there, She Modern. A few others always down in the description box, so don't forget about that. I am going to add some bling to the nail after the foil is done, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. Alright, here we go. We gotta get us a clean part. Take it down. I don't have man paws. No, not really. I mean, I do have large hands, I guess, but get your sides, maybe put a little bit of nail into it so you get some full coverage. I know I do extra rubbing, but it's just in case. Just in case, like, this isn't transferring. Well, it's down here, so, you know, applying foil sometimes is a crapshoot. So, just keep rubbing until you feel you get it. Sides are always my problem. So, what we're going to do... Get another piece, rub it over the same spot, over the edge, and there we go. Now we will top coat our nails. I Gel Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat. This is one of my all-time favorite top coats. Oops. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. You never know what it might be. I do have a giveaway currently going on, so check that out on She Modern Saturday. That's where you can enter. I gotta wipe some of that off that one nail. It's too slick. Too slick, too slick, too slick. I don't want my gems sliding around. I could pull out my rhinestone glue, but I'm not prepared for that. I don't feel like pausing again. So let me see. What size do I need? These puppies right here. Well, I'm gonna put, oh, Mom's getting a lot in there in the fall. The hillbilly in her is coming out. She gets loud on the phone sometimes. It's funny. She'll get there talking to her girlfriends on the phone from church. And oh yeah, she gets loud. And they're carrying on. You know how it is. Okay, I'm going to pop this one in the lamp. Oops, wrong color. Wrong end, I mean. Whoops. Whoopsie. It flipped over on me. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, no, it's gonna, no. No. Now let's see if I can pick her up. There we go, there we go. Get my pink. One more, whoops. These are not centered properly. And my pink. There we go. I'll pop this one in the lamp for 60. Whoops. That didn't work well. There we go. Here's our thumbnail finished. Get my pretty one over here. the pink. I hope to gosh I got one more pink in here. Here we go. And our last one. Beautiful. There we go. We are finished. We are finito. Last nail is in the lamp. And we are done. Almost. So please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my butterfly manicure for today. Don't forget to check out Karina Nails Designs. Hopefully I will have her link down in the description box first and foremost. You guys can find her there. And don't forget about my giveaway. For She Modern's Sticky Stampy Polish, a set of white and black. All the rules and details are there. It is open to anyone as of September 2nd. Ah, hurry, hurry, hurry. There we go. There are a beautiful, beautiful butterfly manicure for last video for butterflies for 2022. It is beautiful. I'm loving this foil. I really honestly do. I need to get some more from why does this look cured? Ooh. Ooh. I forgot to put the other nails in the lamp to cure. I kept thinking, oh my god, my lamp is broke. It's not any good anymore. I forgot to put the foil nails in there to cure as well. So those are in the lamp. Those are curing. Check out Karina's video. Leave me a comment down below. Check out She Modern Saturday for your giveaway for the white and black sticky stamping polish. It is open to anybody worldwide as long as you cover the shipping. I'll send the first $5 to ship it out. Anything beyond $5 is up to you. You have to send it PayPal. You have to have PayPal to be able to send it to me. So, yes, that's the clincher. You have to have PayPal. It's the only Cap Ash thing I have, and the only one I'm going to have. I'm not going to download another and fiddle with that. So, as long as you're willing to pay for the shipping. There we go. We're all dried out. Everybody's cured. So leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. And we will see you next time. Have yourself a blessed day. And thank you.